In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple branches in Zoho Books. Handling numerous branches in Zoho Books can seem daunting at first, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each and every step of the process. This feature is incredibly handy for businesses that have expanded operations across different locations. By cleverly optimizing the branches feature, you can maintain a clear, streamlined record of each location's transactions, making financial management a breeze. First things first, let's talk about where you need to go to begin this journey. We'll start by navigating through Zoho Books. Open up the application and direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll spot the Settings option. Click on Settings and a new menu will emerge, showcasing a list of organizational settings you can tweak. From there, look for the Organization tab. Click on it to open up further customization options. Now you'll see an option labeled Branches. Go ahead and select this. This section is your primary workspace for managing all things related to your branches. Now that you're in the right place, the next step is to add a new branch. You'll see a button labeled Plus Add Branch, which is exactly what we need. Click on this button to start entering information about your new branch. Here's where the details become crucial. The beauty of Zoho Books is in these details. The form will prompt you to fill in important information about your branch. Start with the branch name. Make sure to choose a name that is specific and recognizable, so you can easily identify your branches at a later stage. Next, the form will ask for the branch's address. Accurate address details are essential for compliance and reporting, so take your time to fill that out correctly. Then, you need to enter a primary contact for this branch. This could be a manager or main point of contact who oversees operations in this location. Including a primary contact ensures that any branch-specific communications are directed to the right person. Following the primary contact, you'll notice a field for GSTNS, which stands for Goods and Services Tax Identification Number. This input is particularly relevant for users operating in jurisdictions where GST is applicable. Double-check this number for accuracy to avoid any compliance issues down the road. Finally, the form will require you to enter a transaction series. This is where you define how transactions for this branch will be numbered or coded. The transaction series should be logical and consistent, making it easy for you to track and differentiate transactions coming from each branch. Once you have filled out all these fields to your satisfaction, take a moment to review the information. If everything checks out, go ahead and save your new branch. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a new branch in Zoho Books. With these steps, you can efficiently manage multiple branches, keeping data organized and operations running smoothly across various locations. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has made managing your branches in Zoho Books just a little easier.